Hi, welcome back. Welcome to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and yes, I'm Rachel. So today I'm going to show you how to make cranberry juice. So you know when you go to the store and you buy a container of cranberry juice, it's usually, I would say, half a gallon size. That costs $3.69, sometimes more, unless you get it on sale, okay? But on an average, around $3.69. That's very, very expensive, seeing that you're not going to get but so many 8-ounce glasses out of that, okay? So I'm going to show you how to make cranberry juice from scratch today, so that you can cut down on your costs, okay? All right, so we're gonna get started. Let me adjust the camera and we'll get started, all right? Okay, so what we have here is a bag of whole cranberries. This is the same cranberries that you make cranberry sauce with. And you can buy this at your regular grocery store, and if they don't have it, Whole Foods would have it. Or you can get it at Thanksgiving time and freeze it so that you would have it in abundance. All right. Okay, so this is the pot that we're using. I got the pot filled halfway with water, and we're gonna boil this for about an hour. Once we boil it for an hour, then we're gonna strain it and make our juice. Okay. All right, it's as simple as that. So we'll be back in an hour when the cranberries boil and make cranberry juice. Okay, we'll be back. Hi, we're back. Okay, so our cranberries have boiled for the cranberry juice, and it actually took not 1 hour but 2 hours, because after 1 hour the berries still had not extracted, and so we needed to wait until they extract. Now sometimes if you wanted to extract a little faster, just take a spoon and push up against the side of the pan to see if it's soft enough for you to squeeze some juice out within the pan. All right, if not, just wait for 2 hours, it will extract. So now that it has boiled, let me just show that to you. Let me see if you can get it to you. Wait a minute. Here we go. See? Okay, so now we're going to pour it off into a strainer. You're going to pour it off until all the liquid comes out and the berry pods are left in. Okay. So now you have cranberry juice. See that? How about that? So you're gonna let that cool for about another hour, and then I suggest that you don't put your sugar directly into the whole container, because some people like honey, some people like regular sugar, some people use sugar substitute. So that way you can put the sugar directly into your glass instead of into the whole pitcher. Now if you're gonna make it just for yourself, or maybe you say, okay, my family only use regular sugar, then go ahead, sweeten it up with regular sugar, and you sweeten it to your desire. Okay. All right, so I hope I brought some new drink for you to have in your house that is affordable. The package of cranberries costs $1.99, and instead of buying a jar of cranberry juice for $2.69, sometimes $3.69, depending on what brand and where you buy it at. Okay, so this is another good idea that you can have under your belt and pass on to your family and children, and let them know you made homemade cranberry juice. How about that? Okay. All right, this is Grandma Ray. If this helped you in any way and you feel you want to subscribe, by all means, please subscribe. Okay, I'm looking for people to subscribe because I like an audience and I like bringing it to you, and I'm happy to bring you different drinks and food and desserts and talk shows. I like just bringing it. Okay, all right, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel, and the word of the day is keep it real. Okay, don't be a fake, just keep it real. You don't have to pretend for anybody. You just be you. Okay, keep it real. All right, love you. Bye bye.